Okay, can someone confirm whether I'm audible or not?
What did
Yeah,
you
it's
say?
audible. Please go ahead.
It's not echoing, right?
Yeah, no, it's not echoing.
Oh. Okay, then let's start the session. So,
I guess it's echoing, sir.
is it echoing?
Now it's good.
It's not.
Oh, oh, okay. Mm, how many of you have seen the lectures before we start the session? I just wanted to know.
Yeah, I did.
Sir, me.
Can can you please all raise your hands so that I'll get to know how many of you watched the
How to
session?
raise hand?
Week 1 lecture or week 2? What do you
Week
want?
one, week one.
Yeah, we are.
Only 8. So out of 50, only 20 so far. Okay, all right. It's fine. Those who have not watched the session also, it's fine. We'll go through the concepts through the practice assignment. So in this session, mainly we'll focus on the practice assignment. And once we complete the practice assignment question, then we'll have some discussion on the topics if you guys have some doubts. Okay. So in last session, we have discussed about the concepts very detailedly about the week one. So in this session, we'll be discussing the practice assignment one questions. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can you repeat? There was some issue with my laptop. Your voice was not audible.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir.
visible.
Okay. You guys can down your hands. Okay. So this is the first question, right? So this first question, the question is asking to find the values of
Hello,
A, B, C.
hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, may I say something? Yesterday we had practice assignment session.
Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
I don't think yesterday we had a session.
That was a TA session, sir.
That was TA
Yes,
session.
sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
In TA session, they have discussed all the practice assignment
okay.
questions, but it might be that other may have not attended that one, so you can continue, no issue.
Okay, sir.
Sir, actually, I have just joined it and some people find it, sir. Can you repeat, sir, what has happened till now?
No, we haven't started anything right now. Only I'm starting. Okay.
Hello. Sir,
Yeah,
in
that's
my
okay.
sport data set, there is one card missing. Can you
Yeah.
please show? Card
As
number
of
12.
now, yeah. We asked the ops team to upload it. As of now, you can use this PDF.
Which
So
PDF?
here there is a PDF scores PDF scores.pdf in the resources.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, actually, I'm facing a problem. From 6 p.m. CT as well as stats TA sessions have been scheduled. If I
Uh,
attend one, other will be left. What should I do?
Like we can't do anything regarding TA session because parallelly we have to conduct other sessions also, Max 1 and Stats 1, English 1, those courses are also there. So instructor sessions won't be clashing, but TA session we can't do anything much about it.
Yes, sir.
But you can get the recording for the TA session, I guess. And instructor session is also streamed on YouTube. You can watch later if you miss anything.
Okay,
So
sir.
the last session recording is not available, I guess.
Yeah. We have given the video to editing. Actually, in last session, it was not streamed on YouTube directly. So
Okay,
we have
okay.
given to editing, so it will be uploaded by Monday. But this session, you can see it on YouTube. It's being live streamed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. The first question is asking to find the values of A, B, C using the scores data set. So first, let's try to understand what actually this code does. So first, as usual, it's saying arrange all the cards in a single pile called pile 1. That means you just assume this as a pile 1. This pile 1 has 30 cards, one by one. Okay. You can consider this PDF and this all the data sets as in this pile 1. That is the first step. In the second step, what it is asking, you initialize A equal to 0, B equal to 0, and C is also equal to 0, right? And a third step says if pile 1 is empty, then you stop the iteration. That means you end this program, right? Then in the fourth step, you just need to read the top card in pile 1. So that means what? You just take a card from this and read it. Okay. And after reading it, what it says is if date of birth is less than May 1, then increment A. That is your fifth step. And if your date of birth is greater than 30th May or date of birth is less than 1st September, then increment B. And seventh step says if the date of birth is greater than 31st August, then increment C. So by reading this, fifth step, sixth step, seventh step, can I say from 1st Jan to 30 April, if you find any card in this, you increment A?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And for the second one, I can say, I'll write it here, 1st May to 31st August, I can say B because it is less than 1 September. You can see it is strictly less than. Always be careful whether it is greater than or strictly greater than or lesser than or strictly lesser than. So it is up to 31st of August, and if you see it is greater than 30 April, so it is 1st of May. Then in seventh step, what it says is greater than 31st of August. That means 1st September to 31st December. It is C, right? Is it clear so far what we have done?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Let's try to iterate it. So from this step 3, let's try to do C with this data set. So I'm reading this card from this pile 1. This is my in the top of my pile 1, right? If I arrange it in my pile. So here what I need to check is date of birth, because all this fifth step, sixth step, seventh step is checking my date of birth only. For the fifth step, it is 7th of November. Is 7th of November is between this 1st Jan to 30th April? No, right? So this step won't be doing anything to my A. So my A won't be incremented because this condition is not matching, right?
Yes, sir.
Then, if you take a look at the sixth step, it is greater than 30th April and less than 1st September. Again, this 7th November is also not matching this condition. So my B also won't be incremented, right? But this matches is the 7th step, which is greater than 31st of August. So I can increment the C to 1. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now in the step 8, what it says is move the current card to another pile called pile 2 and repeat from step 3. It goes here. So whatever the card you read, you just moved into pile 2. Now again, what step 3 says is if your pile 1 is empty, then stop the iteration. Now we read one card and moved into the pile 2. Remaining 29 cards will be there, right? Still. The remaining card number from 1 to 29. Now you just read this card number again. What new in 4th step it says read the top card, then this will be your top card. Card number 1. Now here you just check the date of birth, 3rd June. If it is 3rd June, which variable I need to increment, whether it is A, B or C?
Sir,
Increment
B.
in B, sir.
B, right?
Yes, sir.
Then again, 5th step is not matching, 7th step is not matching. Then I can move to step 8. The step 8 says again you go and do the step 3. It doesn't mean you just need to read the another card unless you read all the card. So if you read the next card, the date of birth is 4th Jan. In 4th Jan, which I should increment?
A.
A.
A, sir.
Okay. Again, you just move to the step 3. Again, you read the next card. It is 5th of May. In 5th of May,
B.
I need to increment B.
B.
I can put 2 safely here. Then again, you read the next card, 17th November.
As that C.
It is C. Then again, you come and read the next card,
A.
8th February, A. Then 23rd March, you read the next card. It is 23rd March,
A.
A.
Yes, sir.
Then you read the 7th card, 15th
Increment of
March,
A.
increment of A. Then 28th Feb,
Same, sir.
A. 6th December,
December is C.
C. You can just need to increment 1.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
How we are determining which one is A, which one is B, and which one is C?
In step 5,
Yeah, I see, I see.
have you got it or should I?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So in next card, now we have to read this 10th card number 10. It is 12th of Jan. Right. In 12th of Jan, which variable I should increment? A. Again in card number 11, it is 30th April. If you see 30th of April, it does belong to A or B?
A.
A, right? You increment the A again once again. Then in 14th Jan, again you increment A to 8. So I'll keep it here as I don't have a space. As of my A is 7. B is 2. C I'll keep it here as 3. Okay. Then you read the next card, 6th May. Which should I increment?
B.
B, right? We'll put increment to 3. Then 23rd July,
B.
B. 22 September, so it will be
C.
C, right?
C.
30th December, again it will be C.
Again C.
14th December, again C.
Again C. October again C.
9th October,
C.
C.
Sir,
But
hello.
yeah.
Sir, I have a small doubt. So when we are doing this, now when we are going to do the graded worksheet, so what do you advise us to? Do we take a printout of this and keep it on the left-hand side with us so that it will be easier? Because we cannot juggle with the PC, right?
Yeah, you can take a printout or else
or can we note down the entire data in a notebook and keep it so that is become easier reference, right, to solve it? Because otherwise you'll have to navigate from this screen to that screen and note it down. So I do it in my iPad. So I sometimes feel that could be.
Can you just show the option how to toggle between the sheets and this? Can you just show me in the PC like how can we it be more easier, like the way you have open this tab, like how to open it and just see it like that? It's a little technical thing. Sometimes it's like there is a technical glitch. So can you just show this data how to put it side by side like that, the way you have put it to check it on an easier way?
Okay, can I show it at the end? It's you just need
That
to
should be
split
fine,
the
sir. Yeah.
Chrome.
So that we know the process, sir. Only thing is, if the data sheet is ready with us, it will be easier for us.
Okay.
Yeah. Sir, one more small thing. Sorry to disturb you. Now, I have got 4 courses to do. So, can I, since 18th is the day, from tomorrow I do stats, the next day I do English, the next day that's fine, right?
Yeah, fine.
Fine, sir. Okay, fine. Sorry.
Sir, can you just show it now, if it is possible? Like,
see, again, I need to close it and I have to open it. That's why.
After these questions, sir.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So the 30th August has been moved to B, right? Have I missed something? Either I have added here or not? In between, I forget.
No, sir.
Whether I
30
have
August
added
is later not mentioned.
Okay. This 13th August should be moved to B, right? Again in 20, this is the card number 20, 17 September, which should be in C. And 15th March, it should be moved to A, right? Then 17th July, it should be in B. Then 13th May, again B. Then 26th December.
Again C, sir.
C, sir.
C. 16th May.
B.
22nd July, again B.
Yes, sir.
4th March, it will be A.
A.
10th September, again it will be
C.
B. B, right?
September.
Okay, sorry, September. It will be
No,
C.
sir. Actually, up to 1 September.
Yeah, 1 September to 31st December, right? It will be in C.
Okay.
Then 13th October, again it will be in C. I guess we missed one card while counting it. I don't know where I missed. Someone talked in
Sir,
between.
in our answer in practice assignment is 10, but I found 9, so.
Yeah, somewhere we missed it. When someone spoke in between, I think I forget to increment somewhere.
Sir, my answer in practice assignment is also is a 9, but correct answer is 10, sir.
So the A is 10. I forget to increment somewhere the A, I guess. So
So what is the like? Can we go to the answer and see like what is the question they are asking in terms of
The
answer?
question is same. The final values of A, B, and C. I think we missed somewhere to increment one more card on A. The actual answer is A equal to 10. So we can verify quickly if we want. So A card is from Jan to 30th April, right? So this is one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Sir, you missed it on in 11. You didn't
Sir, you
select
miss
11.
one card.
11.
Oh, yeah. So now you can see 10 cards are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we forget to increment somewhere. So A equal to 10, the final value, C equal to 11, and B equal to 9. That is the answer for this question.
Hello, sir, I have a small query here. Can I ask? So, sir, this date of birth is what kind of data type? Is it a string?
Yeah, here it is string.
Okay, sir. Sir, then in lecture, professor has said that we can only do the equality check operation for string. We cannot do this greater than or less than this kind of operation on string. So,
Actually, here it is represented as a string, 7th of November, but there is a separate data type for date also, if you see carefully. In almost in all the programming languages, date is a separate data type. In week 1, I think we haven't introduced it, so that's why it might be.
Okay.
So date is a comparable data type only with other dates.
Okay, sir. I mean, just for the understanding purpose, we can do that. But in lectures, they said that we cannot do this greater than or less than operation on string. So that's why, sir.
But
Okay.
we can compare two date of births.
Yeah, like obviously we can compare, but this is of
In
string data type.
in string also comparisons are there actually. It will compare based on the alphabetical order. That is also there.
Okay, sir. But it is not taught in the
Sir,
lecture.
what do
That's
you mean by it's a separate database for every programming language? The date. What does that mean?
Separate data type. Like
Yeah,
integer is a data type, right?
yeah.
Integer,
Like
string, boolean. Similarly, there is
how?
a data type for date. Date is also one of the data type. That's it.
No, when you said that it's a separate data type for every language. So in that sense, what does that mean?
I mean, I haven't said separate data type. There is a data type called date in every languages.
Yes, sir. You were showing how to toggle between these two, like where to open this date thing, this data, and then save it in a way. So can you just let us know? Like it's a little bit
So,
difficult
okay.
sometimes in a slow way.
Okay, let me clear this first, the annotations. So what you can do is I'll close this. So this is how the Chrome opens, right? So you open this and you just drag it with your mouse. Just drag it
Sir, how to
and put
drag,
it.
like from where?
Click the tab and
Just
drag
can
it.
you show it again, like once?
you have to click this tag and you have to drag it. You have to long press this and you have to drag it to left or right. Like this.
And this, how did you open this, sir? Like full all those tabs at the same time?
Which one?
Like
This.
just before that, you were showing all those tabs in your PC. Now the thing, sir, is like we have to go again and again to the DS page and open it again and again. So can we just save it? Like, is there any short way to just save it in?
There is no
Window
shortcut to
plus
save it.
left, yeah, right
You
arrow, bro.
What?
Window
Because
plus
window
left or right arrow for screen splitting.
Okay. Sir, so this is like whenever we close all those windows, sir, it also get closed. So is there any way both of these, like if we can again come up
you
with this?
can't pin it actually, you just need to drag it down. So
like we have to again and again click to our course dashboard and open it in a way. Like
so you just press this and drag it here.
I have one query. Can I ask?
From the above, like from the above tab, we just have to drag it. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
So can we switch the screen during our graded assignment?
Yeah, you can switch it. No issues.
Suppose I want to go to dataset, so can I switch it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Oh yeah, I can use AI.
Okay. Let's see the next question. Okay, the next question talks about the shopping data set, if you see. And what they are asking is what X will represent at the end of execution. So again, the step 1 is again the same procedure. You just arrange all the cards in pile 1 and you initialize the variables a, b and x is equal to 0. We can initialize here a equal to 0, b equal to 0 and x is also equal to 0. Then in the third step, what it says is if pile 1 is empty, you stop the iteration and execute step 7. It says don't end the program, you go and execute the step 7. Divide a by b. And the fourth step says read the card from here. Read the card and you do check if the shop name is not SV stores. Add total bill amount to A and increment B. Then the sixth step, what it says is you move the current card to pile 2. Whatever you read, you move to this pile 2 and repeat the step again. Again, you read the card and you check for this condition. What this condition actually does here, if shop name not equal to SV stores, you increment the total amount. Add total to A and increment the. This is what it says, right? You have to read the card every time and you have to check for this condition. If I say I can write it as a if, or this is the condition. If this condition satisfies, you do the below one. This one and this one. Okay. So the first card is SV stores, right? Hello, am I audible or not?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, you are.
Okay. The first card is SV stores. If it is not the question checks for the not SV store card datasets, right? Because the condition, if you see, you read the card and you have to check if it is not SV store, then you have to add to the A and B. So I don't need to do anything because it's SV store. So I'll move to the next card because the sixth step is move the card to pile 2 and repeat from step 3. So now you again check. Now it is a big bazaar. Now what I need to do? Will anything change on my A and B variable?
No,
So
sir.
change any A variables as the total bill amount and increment B.
So here I need to increment A equal to 1525. I need to add this total and B equal to 1. I just increment it.
Sir,
Right?
I have a query.
Sir, I think there is no need to count
No
because
need
the
to?
options are no need to count the cards because in the options we want A and B option are just
No.
for what is A and B represent. We can answer
No,
that
the
without
question
counting
asks
cards.
for what X represents.
Yes, we don't need to actually count or
We don't need
add.
to actually count, but I am trying to explain what this pseudocode is.
Why are we digging Big Bazaar? The question says the SV stores.
The question says the shop name is not SV store. If you see, shop name is not SV store. I put not equal to. Is it clear?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Then again SV stores. I don't need to increment anything on A and B because it's not matching my condition.
Yes, sir.
Then you read the next card. Again, it's SV store. You don't need to do anything. Now it's a big bazaar. Now what will I do? My A will be incremented plus 1525 plus 4174. I need to add the total. Okay. So it will be something around 5000. I'll increment. It will be
Sir, it will be 5699.
5699. And I need to increment the B to 2. Right. So then again you read the next card. After that again you just move and read the next card. Now it's ungeneral. Again you just need to add the total. 354
6053.
3. Now so A will be updated to
053.
6053. Again you go and read the next card. Is this SE stores? Then you don't need to add anything. Right? Then again it's big bazaar. Then you need to add to A and B. So B will be incremented to 4 and A will be 3132. I need to add it is 581
9185.
9185. Okay. Then again it is big bazaar. I need to add 595 and I have to increment
9780.
So 9185 plus 595. It is
9780.
9780. So my current A value is 9780. B is 5. Okay. Then again Sun General I need to add it. So my A will be keep on adding when my my A carries the total of
Non-SV stores bill
Total
amount.
of all the cards excluding SV stores.
I can say, as you said, total bill amount of shops which are not SV stores. Similarly, for B, I can say
Total number of
bill
bills.
count.
not total, it is count.
Total number of bills excluding SV stores, which are not from SV stores.
Count of shops which are not SV store. So the question is asking what X will represent. Finally, once you read all the cards and move to pile 2, if your stack is empty, this will go and execute the 7th step, right? So you will be dividing X is equal to A by B. So if you divide total by count is nothing but average.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will be an average of total bill amount which are not from SV store, right? So the correct answer will be T.
T.
Okay. Any doubts here so far?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So okay, let's move to next question. Okay, here. Okay, next question is done using the words data set, if you carefully see. And what will A represent at the end of execution? So we just need to find what A will represent. Okay. So again, you need to arrange all the cards in pile 1. You read it. You read and do the steps. And you remove the card to pile 2. Right? So this is what it does. Once your card pile 1 is empty, your program will terminate because you are not doing, you're just stopping the iteration if your pile 1 is empty. So you initialize A equal to 0 and you read the card and the condition checks if the word does not end with full stop and part of speech is noun, then increment the. So what does it say? So I can write this condition as part of speech equal to noun, and I can say word not end with full stop, right? Is it clear what I'm explaining in this 5th step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So finally my A will represent what?
Total
So the
number of
question,
nouns.
so this
that-
A will be incremented whenever I match this condition. Number of nouns, because the part of speech is noun, okay, but also you need to consider this and condition, right? When both of these conditions are true, then only you need to increment A because it's an and condition. Increment A if both of the conditions are true. So the A will represent number of nouns.
Without full stop.
The word does not end with full stop, which are not end with full stop. So full stop means what? Full stop
End of
occurs
sentence
whenever
is the
end of
sentence.
Sentence is end there.
So the question they just renamed it. It is the end of sentences, which are not at the end of sentences. So option C will be correct. Is it clear or confusing? If you have some doubt, we can iterate through the dataset also.
No, sir.
Is it clear? Or shall we go through a quick example through the dataset?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Example will be
It's
better,
clear,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So we'll go to the dataset. Okay. I'll keep a variable to count it. A equal to 0. So when I need to increment, the part of speech is noun and word does not end with full stop. Okay. So I just read the card one by one. Let me know wherever noun occurs. So it is pronoun, verb, noun. So now we have seen a word Monday, which is noun. Should I increment this or not?
Yes, sir. Increment.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I
you
can
also have
increment
to
this
check.
Monday because there is no full stop here. Because you also need to check whether it has a full stop or not. If it doesn't has a full stop, you can increment if it is also a noun. So you read the next card, morning. Now again you see it is a noun and also it has a full stop. Should I increment this or not?
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? So I won't be incrementing if it is noun, if it ends with full stop. Full stop. Now you read Swaminathan. I can increment this to 2, right? Because it doesn't have full stop.
Yeah.
Then it was verb, adjective, preposition, verb, pronoun, noun. Now if you see eyes,
No, it has full stop.
I need to increment it or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? Because it also ends with full stop. So I can go and read the next card. He pronoun, considered, Monday, Monday here. Monday is there, it is noun. I can increment this because it doesn't have a full stop. Especially unpleasant in the calendar. Calendar is a noun and it also ends with full stop. I won't be incrementing here. So like that, if you go on, my A counts, if you carefully see, it counts the noun, which not ends with full stop, right? I can say like this.
Yeah.
So if you see the option, it is the same as C. Number of nouns which are not at the end of sentence. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move to next question?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who is this? Now here. This will be interesting. A question. So for this, we need to have a scores data set. I'll take that PDF since one card is missing there. So, okay. So here the question, what it is asking is, the following pseudocode is executed using scores dataset. I can zoom it a bit. Okay. Following dataset is using scores dataset. Again, what you need to do is you need to arrange the cards in pile 1. And you read the card. Again, you read the card, do the steps as mentioned, and you just move it to pile 2. Okay. The fifth step says First you need to initialize the variable a equal to 1000, b equal to 1000. We'll initialize that a equal to 1000, b equal to 1000. Okay, then fourth step says you read the card. So let's read the card first card. My fifth step says if the mathematics marks is less than a, then you store that mathematics marks in. What does it mean?
If the
It
marks is
means it
less
is
than
storing lowest marks.
1000, then we'll add into a.
We don't need to add it. It says store it. Now my mathematics marks, whatever I read, is 68, right? And 68 is less than
A.
1000, right?
1000.
Which is 1000. A here. So in this, if it is true, this is true or false?
True, sir.
True, sir.
True,
If it
sir.
is true, what it says is store that mathematics mark in A. So what I can do is I can change this value to 68. See, I'm not adding it, I'm updating the value to 68 because it says store. Okay. Again, in the sixth step, it says if physics mark is less than B, then store physics mark in B. The physics mark is 64. Again, it is less than 1000, which is my B value. This is also true. So I can update this B to a 64, right?
Yes.
So after that, what it says, move the current card to pile 2 and repeat from step 3. So again, you need to read the next card. Okay. So in simple words, can I say if math mark is less than A, you update the A equal to math mark.
Lowest math mark. What, sir?
In simple way, if I can I say this step 5 like this, if your math mark is less than A, can I store this A equal to math mark?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Similarly, for physics mark, I can say if physics mark is less than B, I can store this B equal to physics mark, whatever the physics mark you read.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll read the second card. Let's see how it updates. The second card has a value of 62 of math mark, right? Now I need to compare with A. It says mathematics mark less than A. Now the card which I have read as a max mark of 62, I need to compare with A, which is 68, right? The current value of A is 68. So I'll be comparing with the 68 current value. So this is true or false?
True.
True.
So if it is true, what I will do?
The value of A
Update
will
the
be
values, sir.
62.
I'll update to 62. Similarly, read the physics mark 45. Is 45 less than 64?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is true, sir.
So it is true. I'll update the B equal to 45. So let's read the next card 57, 54. Okay. Is 57 less than 62?
Yes,
This is
sir.
my
True,
max
sir.
mark. If it is true, I'll update this to 57. If you read the physics mark, it is 54. Is 54 less than 45? This is false, right?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. False.
So in this case, I won't be updating my B. So it will be remain as 45. So I'll change this to 57. So has anyone found a pattern when I am updating it?
Yes, sir. It is storing the minimum.
It is
mark.
storing the minimum value whenever it sees a minimum value than the current value, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's read the next card. It is 42. The max markers is 42 less than 57. True, right?
Yes, sir.
So I can update this to 42. And you read the next card, 53 for physics. Is 53 less than 45?
No, sir.
False.
No.
False, right?
False.
So I won't be updating my B. So I'll update this to 42. If I keep on updating, my A value will have a minimum value in my data set, right? This A will hold minimum mark of math in scores data set, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, B will hold
Minimum marks of math, physics,
minimum mark of physics.
physics,
It has it.
datasets.
So after this 42, I don't know. I don't think whether it has a minimum mark or not.
42 as math is minimum
That is
marks.
the minimum mark in the entire data set, right? So 87, it is greater. Again here, 45 is the minimum, I guess.
Sir, I had a small query.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. So instead of going this step by step, can I not find that this is the minimum and directly come to the answer?
That is what the pseudocode is trying to teach you also. Since it is week one, it's better you go and iterate through every card so that you will get to know what pseudocode actually asks you. Because in later weeks, in week 3 and 4 and all, you are expected to get the logic by reading the pseudocode.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay. That's why even I am not iterating through the entire data set. I'm just trying to give a hint what actually code tries to convey us.
So this is a pseudocode's process. Okay, sir.
So is it clear?
Yes.
So my final value of A and B will be what?
Minimum marks in maths and minimum marks in physics, respectively.
Yeah, that will be 42 and 45, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move to next question then. So this is A equal to 42, B equal to 45. Okay. Next question, what it has is the following pseudocode is executed using words dataset. What count will represent at the end of execution? So we need to find the count. Again, if you see, we put all cards in pile 1 and we move to pile 2, and before moving you read and do the steps, whatever the steps or conditions they have given, right? So before that, what they have given, initialize the variable a and count to 0. You increment, put a equal to 0 and count also equal to 0. So this will be interesting little bit, this pseudocode what they have given. So after we'll open the PDF. Just wait a minute. I think PDF is also there. Yeah. So total 64 cards. Okay. Right. Here. What step 5 says, if word is Monday, A equal to 0, then you increment the A. Right? I can write it in a form, if word equal to Monday and A equal to 0. Whenever I say and, the both conditions should be satisfied. Okay. Then I need to increment A. I need to increment. Okay. And the step says, can I write it here if it is visible for you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I can write it here so that it will be better. So we don't have a writing space. If word equal to Monday, and I'll put and symbol like this, and A equal to 0. This is nothing but and symbol. Okay. Then you increment A. This is my step 5. And at step 6, what it says is, if word ends with full stop, if you see, if word ends with full stop and A is greater than 0, then you increment count equal to +1. Just increment the count. And in step 7, what it says is, you just reinitialize A equal to 0. When you need to reinitialize this, whenever word ends with full stop. Okay. So I'll keep a track of variables here. I'll keep track of variables here only. A equal to 0, count equal to 0. Okay. I'll keep track here. A equal to 0, count equal to 0. Okay. Now let's try to read and execute these steps. So let's see how my variable A and count will get incremented. So you read the word it. Okay. Whether should I match any of this condition, whether it is matching any of the condition?
No, sir.
No, right? So I can skip it. Next it is was. No, it's not matching my any of condition. It is Monday. Okay. Now my fifth condition matches, right? The word I read equal to Monday and A is also equal to 0. My current variable is also equal to 0. Now what can I do? I can increment this A to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, in step 6, if you see, the word ends with, whether we have to check whether the step 6 matches or not. The word ends with full stop and A greater than or 0 or not. It doesn't end with full stop, so I don't need to worry.
Yes, sir.
So in next case, you read the next card, morning. Morning doesn't match the step 5, but it matches with step 6, right? The word ends with full stop and it is greater than 0. My A is greater than 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what will I do?
Increment count 1.
I'll increment the count to 1.
And A
And it
is
also matches my step 7. Next step, if you execute, it matches my step 7. The word ends with full stop. Then what I need to do is I need to reinitialize to 0. That means I'll change this 1 again to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now? So far, whatever we did, at least.
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Okay. Then okay, let's try to read two more sentences. Then we'll see what actually the count captures. Then you read Swaminathan, none of the condition matches, right? The condition will match only if it is Monday or full stop, right? The word ends with full stop. So it is Swaminathan, it won't match, was, don't match, reluctant, no, to, no, open, no, is, no. Then the word ends with full stop, which is highs. Whether sixth step matches, the word ends with full stop and a greater than 0?
Yes.
No, right?
Oh,
It is
no,
and
sir.
condition. See carefully.
Yeah. A is now 0.
Now a is 0 because we previously updated to 0, right? So I won't be incrementing my count to 2 because this step not matches my condition. But in step 7, a equal to 0 because this condition matches this, right? Because if word ends with full stop, my a should be 0. So nothing but you just reinitialize again to 0, update it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then let's try to read the next one. He, again, it's not Monday or full stop, considered Monday. Now you read the word Monday. Is it matching any of my condition now?
Yes, sir. Step
Yes,
5 will be executed.
5 will be executed because my A is also 0, word is Monday. Then I can increment this A to 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now next, what it will do? It will go and read the next word because it doesn't end with full stop. Then especially unpleasant in the calendar. Calendar ends with a full stop. Now, my step 6 matches, right? Word ends with full stop and A is also greater than 0 here.
Yes, sir. Count will be 2.
Count will be 2. And in 7th step, if it gets executed the 7th step, my A will be
0.
0. Similarly, let's go through one more sentence. After the delicious freedom of Saturday and Sunday, because nowhere I'm getting Monday or full stop, if you see, it was difficult to get into the Monday. Now I got a Monday. Now this condition again matches, right? My word is Monday and A is equal to 0. If you see, current A is 0. So my count will be incremented. Sorry, my A will be incremented, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Then you read the next word, mood of work and discipline. Discipline ends with a full stop and it matches my step 6 condition. It ends with full stop and A is greater than 0. My count will be incremented to 3. And again, if it will go and execute my step 7, the word got ends with full stop, it will reinitialize to 0.
0.
How many of you observed whenever my count increases? When I incremented my count?
The sentence have the word Monday only once in it.
Sir, at least once.
At least once, sir.
At least once or
Once.
only once in it?
At least once.
At least one.
Only once, right? At least
Sir, in this
Uh,
dataset, actually, there is not occurrence of more than one in a sentence. But uh, like according to the pseudocode, I guess at least one occurrence of A can increment the count in a sentence.
okay. So the count increases at least whenever you see a Monday. That is clear. Now the confusion between is whether option B or C, right?
okay.
So now you have to check the condition for A. This A increments whenever you see a Monday, right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever it sees a Monday in the sentence, because we are reinitializing to 0 whenever we complete the sentence, right? So I can say this A increments whenever you see Monday in the sentence. Can I say like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then my sixth step, what it says, carefully see, if the word ends with full stop, that means in a sentence, I can say, in a sentence, A greater than 0, that means uh, at least I can say if it is A greater than 0, it could be 2 also, right? A can be 2,
Yes,
3,
sir.
4, 4. So I can say at least
Sir,
one
actually,
Monday should be there. At least one Monday should be there to increment my count.
hello, sir. Sir, actually, according to the pseudocode, the value of A cannot be more than 1. Even if there is like more than one occurrence of Monday, then also the value of A can't exceed 1. It will either be 0 or 1.
No, value of A can go up to 2, 3, 4 also.
But sir, how according to the step 5 there is an AND statement there, and according to that, I guess the value of A can't be 2, 3, just like that.
It can be. Let's take a sentence.
Yes, sir.
It was Monday.
Actually, he's saying that from the step 5, if A is 0, then only increment A in a way. If A
Let's
is
say
2, suppose we
Sir,
cannot.
if
let's
you
say
just
this is
remove that A equal to 0, then the value of A can be more than 1.
Sir, like it should be if the
A can hold a value more than 1 also. I'll show an example. Let's say this is the sentence. It was a Monday, and Monday was very boring. Let's say.
Okay, sir.
So if you iterate this according to the pseudocode, if you have saw a Monday, let's say first time, A will be 0, count will be 0.
0.
Now A you have to increment to 1. Nice. So your fifth step matches the condition, right?
Yes, sir.
Then again you read the Monday.
Okay.
Then
Again we read the Monday, but our A is 1. So that's why our A will not be incremented.
Okay.
The condition is A has to be 0
Mm-hmm.
on step 5. If you
Okay.
just remove that A equal to 0, then A can be incremented to as many as the occurrence of Monday in a sentence.
Yeah, got it.
So it
Okay,
is
sir.
only once, right? Monday only once.
So that's why it can only be 0 or
But the
1.
code doesn't restrict to only once, right? Even in this case, this count will be still be incremented, right?
Yes, sir. Count will be incremented. I mean,
So
answer will be at least, but
answer will be at least.
what I'm saying is, like throughout the entire iteration process, the value of A can't be more than 1. It will be 0 or 1.
It will be 0 and 1.
Okay,
So,
sir.
sir,
And sir,
the
at
answer
the
is C only
end,
then.
the value of A will always be 0, right? At the end of the iteration.
Yeah. At the end of the sentence, it will again initialize to 0.
Okay, sir.
So is it clear, everyone?
So, sir, answer is C basically, the number of sentences that have at least one intro.
C.
Hello, sir. You are not audible.
Oh, okay. Can we move to next question if no one has any doubt on it?
Yes, sir. Move.
Yes, sir. Move.
Okay, so this is one of the nice question. Okay. Here, the question has given some shopping bill data, and they have said it may have some mistakes with respect to sanity of the data. In the last session, I mentioned sanity is nothing but a validation of data, right? So identify all rows with such mistakes. Can anyone find any mistakes in this 5 rows?
Row number 4, sir.
Row number 4. Why?
Sir, here is quantity is 1.5, sir.
So the quantity cannot be 1.5 because it is a dustpan. It cannot have 1.5 quantities, right?
And row number,
Generally,
Row
quantity has
number
only
2, sir.
the total
row
cost has
number.
to be
Row
85
number
into
2,
2.
sir.
Row number 2. It has to be 170, right? 2 into 85.
Yes.
So this row number 2 and row number 4 has some mistakes. So basically, it's nothing but it's checking the validation. So these 2 rows has mistakes. So the answer it is row number 2 and 4.
Sir, how row number 2?
Total.
The total cost is not matching, right? 2 into 85 should be 170, but they mentioned as 85.
Hello, sir. You are not audible.
Is it clear?
Sir, you are audible. I think he might have some issue
No.
on network.
No, I don't have a network issue, but sometimes your voice comes and it suddenly vanishes.
Suddenly vanish. I don't know. Okay, can we move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is match the following question. Okay, this is easy one. The sequence number of card, whether it is integer or
integer.
String.
Sir,
It
it is
should
a
be
string.
integer.
It should be a string.
It is an integer, right?
Yeah,
Sequence
it
number
should
of
be
the card.
integer.
Okay.
Because it goes from 0, 1, 2 up to 29. Right.
Okay, sir. And does it have some meaning of integer? I mean, can we do
Meaning?
some? I mean, integer data type holds some properties, right? Like we can just add, subtract. So according to that, can we say it as an integer?
It is integer, but the sequence number of card doesn't make any sense, even if you add it or subtract it.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir.
Second
Then,
one is
Sir,
string.
what was the last sentence you said? The integer?
I said even if you do some arithmetic operation with this integer, I mean, in this specific case, sequence number of card, if you do any arithmetic operation, it doesn't make any sense, right?
Actually, we can compare the two sequence numbers, sir, or what, sir?
You can only compare the order, I guess, whether the which card comes first, which card comes last. Other than that,
we
nothing
can
else.
apply the conditional operation in that, not the arithmetic operation in a way, na?
Yeah.
And that is also be equal to.
You can check either equal to or greater than which card comes first, which card comes next. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the next one, the word yellow, it is string, right?
Boolean, sir.
String, right? It is.
Yes, sir. It
A
is
string,
string.
sir.
It is
Double
a
quotation
sequence
means the
of
use of the
characters.
yellow.
The yellow is a sequence of characters, which is string. And letter count?
It's character.
It should
It's
be a
integer.
character.
integer, right?
Yeah.
And part of speech?
String.
Part.
A string.
How?
Yes, strings.
No, sir. Why?
Part of speech, what value it does it has? Noun, pronoun.
No, but anything which comes
String.
under double inverted comma is known as string.
Characters.
And the part of speech is not inside the double inverted comma.
But how will you represent these words?
Yeah. But sir, but in the question they have like not given any like noun, pronoun, verb. They just said the part of speech. Can you explain?
See, they mentioned specific to words data set. So that means part
But
of
in programming,
was
sometimes we
available.
don't put like inside like noun, pronouns, verb inside the double inverted comma.
Yeah,
Most of
that
the times.
in programming languages we used to put double quotes like this. But
Yeah, but
here we generally represent this as a string. Like there is no other way to represent this in a character or integer data type. This one.
yeah, so that's why I was confused. Like we cannot represent this.
So this is also string. And the next question is asking, is first letter of the word is a vowel or not?
It's a Boolean.
This is Boolean.
Boolean.
So from this I can say only true or false, right? Whether the word is a vowel or not. So it is.
Sir, can you explain how is it Boolean?
So they are asking a question, is first letter of the word vowel or not? If you take any word, something called off, Saturday, you just take a first letter and check whether it is vowel or not. If it is vowel, you will get true. If it is not, then it is false.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, in option B, the word yellow, it is true or false. I can say boolean, but use string.
They just mentioned word yellow. They haven't mentioned whether it is a yellow or not, right?
Okay, sir.
So the correct answer will be second one, A equal to integer, B is equal to string, letter count again integer. This will be the correct answer, B all. Okay, let's go to next question. Okay, before moving to this question, I guess we can complete the last one at least. So this is the flow chart given as a question to you. So this flow chart has a condition start and you initialize the count equal to 0. And again, you checking whether more cards or not, you picking a card and this is the condition you are checking. Here, what you are checking, whether the shop name is Big Bazaar and total bill amount is less than 1000. So if both of this condition matches, if it is yes, then you increment the count. Else you don't increment, you move the card to next pile. Again you go to this condition. That's it, right? So let's. So this will represent what? This count will represent.
So total number of Big Bazaar bills where the total bill amount is less than 1000.
Number of big. I can represent BB as Big Bazaar. Number of Big Bazaar shops which has total bill amount less than 1000. This is what my count represents here at the end of execution. So even if you go and take a look at the data set, the final answer will be 2. because in the data set we have only 2 cards in the big bazaar, which has a total less than 2. It's not moving. If you see in big bazaar, so this is greater than 1000. This is also greater than 1000. There is one card here which is less than 1000 and increment to 1, and this is also greater than 1000 big bazaar. Then there is the one more card, I guess, which has less than 1000. Or it's still loading. Okay, the final card has a total of 798, which is less than 1000. So the count will be incremented to 2. The final count will be 2. So 2 is the answer for this question. I think this is a very simple question. I don't need to explain much. Yeah. So is this question clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here there's one. Okay, no more questions. We'll see what this question does.
Sir, one small thing, question I wanted. Sir, in that Big Bazaar example, I can just go and check for Big Bazaar cards and see which is more than 1000 and then count it and get the answer, right?
Less than 1000, right? The question asks for less than 1000.
Yeah, less than 1000, sorry. So just do that, and instead of going to, that will be a faster process, right?
Yeah, that is the even question is asking, right? The shop name is Big Bazaar and total bill amount is less than
1000, yeah.
So you can simply ignore the other shops.
Other shop, just go there.
If you see the Big Bazaar, then you need to check whether it is less than 1000.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
So okay, let's try to see what this flowchart does. Okay. The question is asking what X will represent at the end of the flowchart. The flowchart has start, then it's checking with various conditions, and finally it's storing X is equal to A, C, B, and various points, and it's finally stopping it. So this what X will represent. So in order to understand this question, it's not that easy to understand. In a simple way, if we wanted to understand, let's take a random 3 arbitrary numbers. Can anyone say any random 3 numbers?
1, 2, 3, you can take.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yes, so 1, 2, 3.
So I can take one as A, this is B, this is C. So now my program has been started. Whether 1 is greater than 2, in this case because my B has 2. Okay. It is true or false?
False.
So false in the sense I'll go here. I'll go here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes,
check
sir.
whether 3 is greater than 2 because C is 3.
True, sir.
True, sir.
So if it is true, I'll go here.
X equal to B.
X equal to B. So my X stores 2, right? So similarly, if you follow every other path, what you will get as a X? Let's take another 3 random numbers. Anything?
3, 4,
Which
5.
will go through this route. This route. I want to go through this route.
X should be equal to A. I think
That's 6, 5, 4.
Yeah, 6,
6,
5,
5.
4.
4. Okay. Now check 6 is greater than 5 or not.
I think 5, 6, 4.
It's not going to this path, right? I can take
6, 7, 6, 7, 4
5,
you can take.
5, 6, 4.
Okay, fine.
So I can check whether I need to check whether 5 greater than 6. No, it is false. I'll come to this path again. Now I need to check whether C is greater than B. Now I will check whether 4 is greater than 6. Now again this also false. It will come here, right? Now again you check C is less than A, whether 4 is less than 5. Yeah, it is true. Then you go to S, then you store X is equal to A, which is X is equal to 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's take two more examples. Let's follow this path at least now. So for this, A should be greater than B. So I can take 8, 4, 7. Now 8 is greater than 4. It will go here, yes. Now again I need to check C is greater than A or not. Now C is 7, A is 8. It is true or false?
Also.
False.
False, right? So it will go here. Now it will check whether C is greater than B or not. It is true. It will go it will store as C, which is 7. Any pattern you guys found so far by taking these three
Sir,
examples?
second largest.
Yes,
So
sir.
we
It
found
is.
X is equal to 257, which is second largest number in these examples.
Sir, or you can say second lowest.
You can say second lowest also, since it has only 3 numbers. So the answer is second largest number among A, B, C, as you said, or you can say the second smallest number also among A, B, C. Okay. Any doubts here?
Sir, we can solve this question with any other method or what, sir?
It's better to solve using example. If you don't take an example, then it's very difficult to understand
Sir,
what
if like
yes.
somebody wants to just like after taking the example, and if somebody wants to just map it down like imaginary, like if A is like that, would it be a little difficult?
Slightly it is difficult if because you are just now starting it. Because the pseudocode has multiple if conditions, then you might lost if what the pseudocode is trying to tell you, right? Because it has almost 1, 2, 3 conditions here. Again, it has 1, 2, 3 conditions here. Again, based on multiple if it goes on yes or no. So if you are able to try to convert the pseudocode, even then it's very difficult to predict the output if you are not taking any example. It's very easy if you take some 2, 3 examples, then you predict what the output is trying to tell you. Okay, any more doubts in this question or?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh, okay, that's it from my side. If you guys have any general questions, we can discuss for another 5 more minutes, or else we'll close the session.
So just one thing is a little technical thing, sir. Whenever we open this, whenever we are trying to solve the additional question and all, like we have to open the data sheet, particularly of the. So we again have to like save it again and again in Google Drive, or like once it is open, it is already being saved in the Google Drive.
You need to open it in Google Drive only. You can't save it unless you download it in your local machine, I mean in your computer.
Okay, no, like in the Google Drive, if we are like opening it, doesn't it save there
No, it
permanently?
won't save.
Like it is like through Google Drive, it is being open, but it is not saved unless it is saved in the PC. You are saying that?
Yes.
I thought it is saved in the Google Drive cloud or something.
It is saved in cloud, but you need internet to access it, right?
Okay, but if I don't have the internet access, and if I just okay for Google Drive to open to click it, we need an internet access. Okay.
Question about this character data type. It's
Hmm.
only a one character.
But sir, in a way, it is saved in the Google Drive only if I have the internet access. Suppose if I'm clicking it, the Google Drive link which is there, and it is in a way saved only in Google Drive.
I'm not getting. You need internet access, right, to access
Yeah,
it.
I
How
have
it
the
will be?
internet access. Suppose, and if I'm clicking the link of that Google Drive, it is saved now in my Google Drive cloud.
How it will be saved unless
No.
you create a shortcut or download it? I don't understand.
You are accessing the Google Drive of the institute, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the question it will not be saved. It is with there this. You are just accessing the database, right?
Okay.
Right, sir?
Just add one thing here.
No, I thought it is saved like
Will be available in with share with this folder.
You can save the link.
So can't it be saved in the Google Drive cloud? I was saying that in my.
You need to take a copy and you can store it in your own Google Drive if you want. The drive link which we have given, only you can see the data and access it through the internet. You can't save it or something unless you take your own copy and upload it to your drive. That is also again you need the internet to access it. If you are saving in your own Google Drive, that will be permanent with your account.
Have to upload.
But then we have to upload it by saving it first in my PC and then uploading it to my Google Drive.
Yeah.
Sir, is the session over?
Yeah, from my side it's over.
Okay.
If you guys have any question, we can discuss.
Can I ask something?
Yeah, Nisha. Nisha,
Can you
right?
bring no, Humera?
Sorry. Your voice is very low, Nisha.
Sir, thank you so much for the session. Can we leave? Can I leave?
Yeah, if you don't have any
Sir,
doubts, you
can we leave?
Okay, sir.
Is the session over?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
About a data type, can you just help me out understand character data type? Is it a single character?
Character data type has only
Thank
one
you, sir.
character.
One character, right? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, Nandan.
Sir, I just want to get some information about graded assignment. Like on our website, it is written that the average of the best 2 out of 3 assignment score will be calculated. And sir,
That is for eligibility for quiz 1, right?
okay, like sir, the first qualified exam that is going to happen on 15th March. So like if I can't able to submit my graded assignment that is on 18th of February, then am I not eligible to get hall ticket for 15th March?
Yes.
So what is the minimum average one have to score?
40 mark.
Okay, sir. Or sir, if I after that, after my first assignment, if I continue and complete all the assignment on the due date, so still I'm not eligible or anything else.
Yeah, yeah. If your average is greater than 40, you will be eligible. You will get an hall ticket.
And sir,
Okay,
for
like
the end term, all those like for the end term which is going to happen after 3 months, so all those
For the
graded
end term,
assignments,
it has a average of 5 out of 7, I guess, in the grading document.
like the best 5 out of 7.
Yeah, best 5 out of 7. Average should be greater than 40.
Okay, even if I have skipped two, all the five, if it is more than 40, I can sit it.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
So skipping two is like a kind of a fine thing, at least.
but sir, in there is a written that average cutoff after the first two weekly assignment in each of the four
That
subjects.
is for qualifier exam.
Okay, so and that's why what I'm asking, like I'm asking for qualified exam only.
Okay.
So I have to focus on my this first two weekly assignment, like on 18th and then next 25. Okay.
Can we
Yeah,
bring a book to the exam or will they provide rough paper instead?
they will provide rough papers in the exam center.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Sir,
what they will provide books, sir?
No, rough sheets.
Sir, when week 2 class will start?
Next Monday.
Next Monday.
I mean, coming Monday.
Thank you, sir.
So then what we will cover up tomorrow in the instructor session?
In tomorrow, it will be generally open session where you can ask any doubts in the lectures or any concepts, or even in activity question if you are facing troubles, then you can ask in tomorrow session.
Okay, it will be related to week 1, right?
Yeah, related to week 1.
Thank you.
I have a doubt in question itself in graded assignment.
Okay. I think someone raised their hand and they down.
Yeah, I have raised the hand, but the question is solved now. It is, you have queried my answer.
Okay, fine.
You answered my query. Thank you.
Sir, can I leave?
Yeah, you might leave.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for this session.
Thanks, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, then I'm closing this session. Thank you for everyone.
Thank you, sir.
For joining.
Sir, this first exam will be called as qualifier 1.
Qualifier as well as your quiz 1.
Is the like same name. So for
Uh,
quiz
it's
1,
a-
the quiz 1, the eligibility is to be the graded assignment should be like 40% in 2 out of 3.
Yes.
Or 3 out of 4.
No, that is only for who are writing qualifier. Right? For quiz 1, there is no eligibility.
Like there
I
is
mean,
no.
those who are writing qualifier exam, that eligibility should be met. Those who are writing it as a quiz 1, that eligibility is not mandatory.
Okay. Like if even if I don't give any graded assignment, I am eligible for quiz 1.
Yeah, if you are not a qualifier student.
Okay. Qualifying is like the basic entry into this course, na? Qualifier 1 is that.
Okay, guys. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you. Bye bye.